Hello guys, I am Ankesh and welcome to my channel. So now once we have installed Java, we are gonna get installed Git into our same box. So if we go a bit up, so we can see in our first box only we have to install Jenkins also, Maven also, and then Bitbucket. Bitbucket, we are not have to install it. For Bitbucket, we have to install Git service. So we are going to install Git onto the box. So already Java is installed. I will clear the screen. Go there. So we just build our Ubuntu box and then we install Git. Yeah. So Git is already the newest version. So here in Ubuntu 16.04, Git will be pre-installed. But in other Ubuntu versions, the Git will not be installed. So you have to follow the same way if you are using any other versions of Linux like Ubuntu 14.04 or some other versions. And now we are going to check the Git version, and then we can see the Git is already installed with a version number of 2.7.4. For this project, we are going to use a repository which is my Bitbucket repository and which will be available in this link. If you want to see the link, you just pause the video, get to the link, or else I will mention it into our description. This is the project which you need to clone for Git. Thank you for watching the video. Hit like if you like the video. Subscribe to my channel. And if you have any queries, comment down below. Thank you.